Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting without using the Zoom app on your mobile device. This is incredibly useful when you don't want to download the app or need to save storage space on your phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device and navigate to zoom.com. Using your mobile browser instead of the app gives you the flexibility to join meetings quickly without any downloads or installations required. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Meet. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open a menu with several meeting options. From this menu, tap on Join a Meeting. This option allows you to enter a meeting as a guest without needing to sign in or have the Zoom app installed. Next, you'll see a button that says Join Meeting on your screen. Tap on it to proceed to the next step where you'll enter your meeting details. Now you'll see a designated field where you need to enter your meeting ID. This is the unique number provided by the meeting host. Carefully type in the meeting ID in this field to ensure you're joining the correct meeting. After entering the meeting ID, tap the Join button. At this point, you'll need to wait a few seconds while the browser loads and connects you to the meeting. The system is verifying your meeting ID and preparing to connect you with the host and other participants. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting password. Type in the password that was provided to you by the meeting host, then tap OK. Again, you'll need to wait a few seconds while the system processes your password and grants you access to the meeting room. Finally, you'll see another Join button appear on your screen. Tap this button one more time to proceed and officially enter the meeting. This final step completes the connection process and brings you into the Zoom meeting room where you can see and interact with other participants. And that's it! You've successfully joined a Zoom meeting through your mobile browser without downloading the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.